What? What? This is Snuggles. Snuggles is in her little thing because she's wet. I just gave her a bath. It is today. Oh man, what? Oh man, what? Snuggles. Look at me. Look at me, Snuggles. Look. Look at me. Here I am right here. Look at me, Snug. Look, Snug. Look. You want to get out? Snug. Snug. Leave you alone. What? Snug. Hi. Out there in TV land. This is me and Shakira.
I told them I'm behind the scenes type of person.
Oh, man. Oh, man. What? You want to get out of there? Well, you can't get out right now. You got to wait till Chris comes. What? Why? Is that boo boo? Is that mama boo boo? That's mama boo boo. You mad at me? Huh? You is. I ain't even do nothing. Whatever. Don't be talking back neither. Oh man. What? For real? Okay, so how you feel about being in there right now? You feel you been in there too long? Huh? Well, I'm sorry. You know why I put you in there? Now don't you? Huh? Snug. You know why I put you in there, don't you, Snug? Huh?
She mad right now.
Well, Snuggles is kind of angry because I have her in there and she wants to get out. But her parents are not here. They're gone. And I'm the babysitter for now. So we're actually waiting on Chris and Dee to return so we can get them on tape. But stay tuned for more Snuggles.
Bye.
Bye. Snug. One last. Can you just say something for the camera? What? What? Now? You want to get out now? Tell the people out there in TV land bye-bye. She don't want to talk to y'all. Snug. Oh, man. Oh, man. That's her favorite word. It's all man. What she learned how to say that? We don't know. But here we go. Snug. Snug.
No.
You don't want to talk? No. Leave you alone. Is that what you said? Huh?
Mom, let's just leave her alone because she get mad.
For real? You want out?
It sounded like she did just say.
You want out? Well, your dad and your mama should be coming in pretty soon. Oh, and she's moving. She's trying to get out. Oh, here's somebody coming. Oh, and she's going to try to get out. Oh, and she's making her move. Well, go on and get out then. Let me see how bad you is. Yeah.
You
can't get out of there.
No, yeah, because she got out last time.
Let's see what she going to do. Now, ain't nobody helping her get out. Let's see if she going to get out on her own. Snug. Snug. You not talking?
She mad.
She mad. She ain't mad. She's trying to figure out how to get out. Snug. 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 Uh-oh, uh-oh. She's trying to get out. Get on out then. I dare you. Show me you can get up out of
If she
there.
get out my that, that'd be wrong.
Come on, get on out then. Go the other way then. Go to the other side. Go to the left. Everything in the bag goes to the left.
Oh, she mad.
Now she's going to the left.